Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 17th of October. This is my first day out for the fall brawl. I'm leaving Tibbles Marina and I'm going to head either north of Kelly's or east of Kelly's. I'm not sure, probably both. But anyways, first day for the fall brawl for me. It's been pretty nasty out there. It looks like it's chocolate milk dry. I'm going to use flicker shads and reapers, I think. I don't know if I'm going to use bandits today or not. I know flicker shads are doing really good. So, all right, anyways, to be continued. All right, fish on, fish on. Number one, guys. Flicker shad, 2-ounce weight, 126 back. Flicker shad. All right, fish on, fish on. Number two was caught on this. I think it's a flicker shad. I'm not sure, but we're gonna call that a wrap. I got two nice walleye. So I used flicker minnows. Let out 25 feet of line, snapped on 2 ounces, and I just let it out about 110 feet back. 90 and 110, I believe, my leads. Pretty simple stuff. I got two. The screen looked good. Just they're a lockjaw a little bit. But I was gonna head home, did a couple hours of fishing, I'm ready to go. All right, I just wanted to see how it was out here. I know Huron's doing pretty good too, so I might head there next time. Anyways, thanks for watching.